Hey everybody, Justin Baker here. I want to start out in this first part just getting us acquainted with uh, using the text editor, either going to be Notepad for you or TextEdit, depending on if you're using a Mac or a PC. But first off, looking at week one, I just want to go down to here we are, starting with HTML in your reading. Okay, so this is where the lecture is that you're getting. But just to point out, if you're using a Mac, on the startup, TextEdit should be in your applications folder, and on a PC, Notepad should be, you can find it by going to Start, All Programs, Accessories, Notepad, or just doing a search in the little bottom down here. Also, before we start, just download the Word doc. We're going to have a little fake restaurant that we're going to make, like a one-page website for you. That should show us kind of everything we need to know. And then getting down to what we need to know, looking at Project 1, recipe, the tags we're going to be focusing on are the P tag, H1, H2, maybe the H3, strong tag, the bold tag, which is the B, the M tag, or the emphasis tag, or the I tag, which is italics. It's good to note that the strong and the B do the same thing, sort of, and so does emphasis and italics. Also, there's the BR, which is the line break, HR is a horizontal rule, which is just a line, actually this kind of line like right here, and then the title tag. Okay, so doing the practice, we should be able to cover all of these tags plus a couple more, and we're going to talk about the structure of a web page. But these are the things that you need to know for this first week that'll let you do the Project 1, the first little homework that you have. So one more thing about tags is I'm like pointing them out here. They look like a left angle bracket, a right angle bracket, and then there's like a letter in between. Okay, so from your book, which shows you a closer look at tags, this is as we're writing the code in our text editor. This is how we're going to do it. It's a left angle bracket, the character. Okay, so this kind of defines what the element is, like what we're calling it. And then the right angle bracket. Okay, then the content goes in between those two characters. What do I mean by that? Here's the closing one. Okay, the closing tag. I said character. The tag. Okay, so if I'm writing up a paragraph of text, if I'm marking it up, this will be the opening one. Then the actual text of the paragraph goes in between this one and this one. So this is what a closing tag looks like. All right, so left angle bracket, / and then the character again, same character as the first one, and then the right angle bracket. Okay, so as we start, real simple, just so you kind of know, like a heads up, that's how you write tags, okay, and that's explained in the book. As you can see up here, let's see, do they have a paragraph? Yeah, that would be like it right there. All right, P, text in between, and a closing P. All right, tags act like containers, okay? They tell you something about the information that lies between their opening and closing tags. All right, that's all it is. It's like a little sticky note on something.